All right, folks, we got another one today. This is also another fat brain toy, and this one is called the Oombee cube sorter. The idea behind this is obviously you have all these different shapes. They're all attached to the cube on all the different sides, and you match them up to the different spots. So they got kind of a nice texture on this cube, kind of a matte, soft finish to it. And each one of these shapes, it's got almost like a shoelace kind of string attached to it. But these are, it says that they're actually food grade silicone. So for those kids who like to chew on things, this won't be a problem if they chew on it. So this is said that it would be good for tactile learning, development skills. Obviously, you're matching shapes to locations that they correspond to. So square with square, triangle with triangle, so on. I guess you'd call this an 8 or like an infinity symbol. But you can also do multiple things with this. So you have the different colors. So for color learning, grasping, and motor skills. And then, of course, shapes is kind of the big one, obviously, because it's all different shapes. But this is a multifunctional. I mean, you can do all sorts of different things with this as far as learning and moving it around. From very young kids to, even much older kids would find this appealing and fun. This one we got on Amazon as well. This is, we bought for about $17, $16.95. And our kids have played with this pretty good. Again, definitely liking the, ours are a little bit older now, but liking the moving the shapes around and plugging them into the different spots. And then, of course, learning the colors. They're very into learning colors right now. They are a little over 2 years old, almost 2.5. So all the different movements and adding shapes in and out are very appealing to them at this age. So here all of them are pulled out, and they just all attach to the different corners. They're pretty secure, so I wouldn't worry too much about them pulling out, but this one is getting kind of frayed. The thing I would be a little bit more concerned about is these pulling out of the actual shape itself, because it's probably just like a knot in there that's holding it in place. So you probably do want to have a little bit of a supervision, especially if kids like yanking on things, just so that they don't yank the cord all the way out of the shape, because I very much doubt we'd be able to get those back in if they were all the way pulled out. So again, this is the Oombee, that's OOMBEE, cube sorter, and this is by Fat Brain Toys. And it's pretty fun. It's good to just move it around in your hands and match to the different shapes, and it's nice that they're squishy. They fit in pretty good. They don't fall out too much. A couple of them, they've had, 3 of them, they've had some good use. So, and obviously if you hit them, they can get loosened up, but for the most part, they stay in it pretty good. So again, Oombee cube sorter.